working towards a marketing degree. I was reading when I was a kid. I even got in trouble for reading under my desk in school. My favorite books from my childhood were the Mary Kate and Ashley mystery novels, the Percy Jackson series, and the Uglies series by Scott Westerfeld. When I reached high school, my reading slowed down, and I spent more time watching TV and YouTube videos. And I fell in love with the Beatles, which sparked my interest in all things vintage. I now have a vintage clothing resale business that I would love to make my full-time job. Everything I sell and wear is thrifted. I also have an idol collection, which is mostly 60s and 70s rock. These are a few of my favorite albums to listen to. I've been shooting film for about 3 years, and I have a blast going around town with my friends and playing dress up with my shop inventory. I recently got engaged to my boyfriend of 3.5 years. He's in the Army National Guard. He took us on a few backpacking adventures, and now I want to hike the entire Appalachian Trail one day. He also turned me on to classical music, which I like to listen to while I read. Thank you for listening. I look forward to learning more about diverse children's literature this semester.